Hi everyone, it's Anne here, and I thought I would do a quick video for you showing the sorts of things that I'm going to be teaching in my new course that I'm starting on Monday. It's a workshop class and it's called Livestream Studio. So I think that live streaming has been with us for around 5 years now, and so some people have sort of like launched themselves at live streaming, and it's sort of really brought their businesses forward, and others have been a little bit more sort of wary about making live streams because they've been sort of perhaps not very keen on getting in front of the camera. But I think we've all realised that we actually need to do this sort of thing quite often, and in the last 12 months, we've had no option. If we've wanted to be in business, we have had to put our businesses out there. We've had to do streams, we've had to make videos, and of course there's the conference calls that seem to sort of clog up our diaries from week to week. Anyway, while we've been sort of on this journey over the last 12 months, I think that a lot of you will have come across calls where you've spent more time looking at what's going on in the background of somebody's screen, or you've been on Zoom calls where there have been a lot of those little squares that are completely dark, and you're thinking, well, who is this and what's this person doing, and does this person even exist, or is it just a dark hole? So, and if you're in business, you need to be able to be visible to stand out, and visibility is going to increasingly mean that your streams actually have to have a higher production value. And these are the sorts of things that I want to teach you in this workshop. So obviously you've already seen that I've run an intro, and I have now got a background that is customized to me with my red lipstick video brand, and yes, it's up here. I'm going to be showing you how to create something like this, and how to create this background and get your logo on it, and to get titles. We're going to be looking at how to introduce guests, and here's another feature quickly coming up. So I don't know about you, but I do a lot of teaching on my iPhone, and a lot of people want to say, oh, we've got a problem with this, and we then have on our Zoom calls we're going, we have to share the screen. There's nothing slick about it. People are sort of waiting there, and they're being held while you're doing all the tech and getting it on screen. But look, I can pick up my phone now, and I can literally show people how to do this, and it, the quality of the video is actually really good. So this one that I'm actually using at the moment, this streaming software, is Mac only, I will say, but these options are available. And then the other thing that we can do is we can go to a screen share, and how wonderful is that you can actually, with literally a click of a button, take your customers off to a screen share like this, and you can talk them through whatever's going on a piece of software, on the web, or something like that. And I think that it's just such an amazing piece of tech. And if you're a digital business, and if you're wanting to grow your business, attract more customers, and ultimately get more sales, this is the sort of thing that you're going to need moving forward, because already huge numbers of businesses have already taken this step. I think that we're on the upward curve as far as people learning this stuff, but I think that sort of in the next year, if you haven't got this sort of knowledge under your belt, that you're going to be left behind. So my workshop is on Monday. I'm going to put the link below, and if you've got any questions, please just send me a direct message. Those of you that know me will know that I'm sort of very open to having a chat, and I'm very happy to talk to people, and just want to help.